Hi there, a quick update. I'm meant to be in court this Wednesday, the 27th of June, at City Magistrates Court, which is a fancy court where they get dressed up in robes. And in the first case that was adjourned, it was suggested that I get back in touch with British Transport Police and offer to pay this penalty notice, disorder notice, which is like a fine for between £60 and £90. They set it at £90 for this terrible, heinous act that I'd done. And that originally, before they sent this to court, they were offering me this. This police officer offered me this opportunity to pay this fine, and I didn't. I questioned it, and he sort of half-heartedly got back to me, but didn't properly get back to me. And then when I went to the court and it was adjourned, the judge suggested that I should contact them and see if they'll take the money for the fine. So I did that, and I've got an appointment on Friday to go and see them so that they can issue me with a fine. And I've been having chats with a friend of mine who I see as my primary mentor, really. He's a great guy. He's really, really funny and very sharp. And he has been giving me a really hard time, in a humorous way, but a really hard time, that I'm capitulating to Uncle Caesar, as he puts it, and that I shouldn't do that. I should go to court and stand up there and dress in my white suit, which I was planning to do, and refuse to pay their fines and refuse to be penalised and punished for just speaking out my mind about something which I find is grotesque, which is factory farming. And so he's chastising me for this, and I wanted just to share this with all of you, and just hear what your ideas and your feedback might be. I'm going to go in on Friday anyway, so that they can issue this ticket. I don't have to pay it, but if I do, then they will get rid of the court case. And whilst I'm quite confident that I can perform well in court and I can ask some really good questions of both the police officer and the witness, and I'm sure I can do quite a good job at demolishing them, I don't feel completely confident, because the whole system is so totally skewed and corrupt, and the wording of this Public Order Act is so twisted and crazy that they can get you for almost anything. It's such a catch-all idea. The whole law is just, well, it's a rule really. It's bonkers. And part of me just wants to get it off my back, and possibly sue them afterwards, sue that police officer and British Transport Police afterwards for what they've done. Which, when I release the video of the footage of the original incident, you'll be able to see his behaviour. And I'd be just interested to hear what you have to say about it. Have a great day.